lights with LED lights. Mom and Dad have always been complaining that the lights were burning out. This is one of the light bulbs that have been burning out. This is some of the tools that you need. A screwdriver, a light, and a ladder. Remember, when you're working with electricity, you need to turn the breaker off. First, take out the old light bulb. Next, pull the old candle light out from the ceiling. Next, squeeze the screws to remove the candle light. Next, remove the light from the fixture. Next, measure the distance between the strings on the old light. And measure the strings on the new light. Make sure they are the same. If they aren't the same, then just the screwdriver. You may need help with this next part. Connect the new light to the socket by screwing it in. Now string the springs together and put it on the track. Push the light into the ceiling. And don't forget to turn the breaker back on. That's how you replace your old candle lights with your new LED lights. Thanks for watching.